Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is a really cool one. Excuse me, I'm still I'm not really sick. I just have a sore throat and I don't want to trigger a coughing fit, so I'm going to do my best to work through that. I know what this is. I haven't actually handled it yet. This was sent to me by Going Gear. This is actually an exclusive through Going Gear, and I'm going to link it right down in the description so you guys can check it out. So I want to thank Going Gear for sending this in because I thought this was really cool. Wanted to share it with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. We have a lot of fun on Patreon, exclusive content every Friday, so I urge you to check it out. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this is a variant of knife that I have checked out before, but they reached out to me and said, do you want to take a look at this? And I said, yeah, sure. It's designed by one of my favorite designers, and I think it's one of the cooler ProTechs that are out there, the model anyway. So this is a ProTech SBR, but it has this cool sort of, I don't know exactly what they call it, but it's kind of like, to me, it's kind of like a tundra camo or just like a black, white, and gray camo on it. I thought it was really neat. USA, of course, ProTech side opening automatics. This is a Les George design, the SBR. They're the, what do they call it? The small bladed rockeye, I think is literally what SBR stands for. And I just thought it was a cool variant. I know you guys like the exclusive stuff. So this is, if you didn't know, an exclusive, if I didn't say, an exclusive at Going Gear. I'll make sure and link it down below because I believe you can still get it right now. This is cool. Normally I don't like camo stuff, but it's because of the colors that you generally get with camo, right? The green and the brown and the, maybe some grays in there. I live in Kansas, so every other thing that I see is camo. In Midwestern, I mean, it's not just in Kansas, there's a lot of states. Not coming down on people who like that stuff, but I grew up with that being everywhere. So that is that's something that I've grown tired of, but I did like this color combination. I think that's pretty cool. As per usual, we have ProTech's serious firing power, USA quality, S35VN, 6061 T6 aluminum. Let's see what they actually call this. The Midnight Blue SBR, Going Gear exclusive black handle Cerakote blade. Yeah, this is pretty cool. The SBR is definitely a knife that I have already reviewed on this channel, a knife that I've given a positive review to. I think it's a great knife. You can go back and watch that review if you'd like. I think it's I don't know if I want to say underrated. It's obviously a popular model because they sell, right? But I think it's kind of one of ProTech's more unsung heavy hitters for the smaller, for smaller knives. There are definitely people who have to deal with some ridiculous laws in the United States. Now, around the world, I know a lot of you guys who don't live in the United States, a lot of people who don't live in the United States, you have to deal with some really crazy laws, right? But here in the United States, we definitely have some states that limit blade length or just the automatic nature in general. And so the SBR makes that a little bit easier for some people. And for people like me who are not limited by some crazy law, because in Kansas, we can pretty much carry whatever we want. I still have a use for smaller knives like this. And, I always appreciate the automatic feature. So that's something that's, really nice for me. Great design, great clip, great materials. Pretty cool. So yeah, make sure that you check out this Going Gear exclusive. I'll link it right down below. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.